How to send money with XE Money Transfer. To initiate a transfer with XE, first, navigate to their official website or launch the XE Money Transfer application. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account. This involves providing an email, setting a password, and completing a quick identity verification process, which typically requires a government-issued ID. Existing users can simply log in with their credentials. Once logged in, locate and select the Send Money or Get a Quote option. This will bring you to the transfer setup screen. Here, you will specify the amount you wish to send and select the currencies involved, both the one you are sending from and the one the recipient will receive. XE will display the current exchange rate and any applicable transfer fees up front. Always review these figures carefully before proceeding. Next, you'll need to provide the recipient's details. This is a critical step where accuracy is paramount. You'll enter their full legal name, their residential address, the name of their bank account number, and often their SWIFT or BIC code. Ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, confirm the transfer. XE will then provide you with a transaction reference number, which you can use to track the status of your money until it reaches its destination.